Hello student, myself V.S. Deshmukh, lecturer in Mathematics, CSMS's College of Polytechnic. Today we are going to discuss about differential calculus. In this unit, the subtopic is the derivative. Today we discuss the derivative. These are the points for discussion, that is definition, formulas, rules of derivative, sum of derivative, difference of derivative and some examples. The definition of derivative. Let y is equals to f of x be a real valued function where x is called the independent variable and y is called as a dependent variable, and delta x be a small change in x that leads to a corresponding change delta y in y. Then the limiting from the ratio delta y by delta x as the delta x tends to 0 is denoted by limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, that is equals to dy by dx, and it is called as the derivative of y with respect to x. Now these are the formulas on the derivative. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1, derivative of y with respect to y is also 1, derivative of constant is equals to 0, derivative of constant into x is equals to k, derivative of x raised to n is equals to n x raised to n minus 1, derivative of 1 by x equals to minus 1 upon x square. Similarly, the derivative of root x is equals to 1 by 2 root x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a, derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x, and these are the derivatives of some trigonometric functions just like sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Similarly, here the derivative of the inverse trigonometric functions are given. So, derivative of sine inverse x is equals to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon under the root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x is equals to 1 upon x under the root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cosec inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon under x into under the root of x square minus 1 is here. Now these we discuss here the rules of differentiation. So the first rule of derivative is the derivative of sum. If u and v are differentiable functions of x, u and v both are the differentiable function of x, and then y is equals to u plus v, then the derivative of y by dy by dx equals to the derivative of u with respect to x plus derivative of v with respect to x. Now the second rule is derivative of difference. If u and v are differentiable functions and y is equals to u minus v, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Example on the sum on difference of the derivative, and these are some basic examples of derivative. So the first is find the dy by dx if y is equals to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus e raised to x. First of all, we write down equation 1. The given equation y is equals to x to the power 10 plus 10 raised to x plus e raised to x. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. मग आता आपण काय करणार, y चा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरन्शिएट करणार, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार आणि प्रत्येक टर्मला डी डी एक्स अप्लाय करणार. सो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स टू द पॉवर 10 प्लस डी डी एक्स ऑफ 10 to the power x plus डी डी एक्स ऑफ e to the power x. Then by using this formula, so for the first term we use x raised to n formula. X raised to n is equals to n x raised to n minus 1. सेकंड टर्मसाठी आपण ए रेस टू एक्सचा फॉर्म्युला वापरणार आहोत. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ए रेस टू एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू ए रेस टू एक्स इंटू लॉग ए. आणि थर्ड टर्मसाठी ई रेस टू एक्सचा. मग पहिल्या टर्ममध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स टू दी पॉवर 10. 10 म्हणजे n आहे. n इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट? 10. सो द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स टू दी पॉवर 10 डी डी एक्स काय येईल तो? दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू 10 एक्स टू दी पॉवर 10 मायनस 1 मीन्स 9. म्हणून काय आहे? 10 एक्स टू दी पॉवर 9. ओके. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ए रेस टू एक्स म्हणजे काय असतो? ए रेस टू एक्स लॉग ए. मग टर्म काय आहे? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 10 रेस टू एक्स. एची व्हॅल्यू काय इथे? 10 आहे. म्हणून आन्सर काय येईल? 10 रेस टू एक्स लॉग 10. And simply derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now the second example. Find dy by dx. Y is equals to log x to the base 10 plus 3 raised to x. Now write down in the solution. First of all, given equation y is equals to log x to the base 10 plus 3 raised to x. Mark it as equation 1. Now here the base is 10, so we change its base to the natural. So y is equals to log x upon log 10 plus 3 raised to x is our equation. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So we apply the derivative for all equation. So dy by dx is equals to d dx of log x upon log 10 plus d dx of 3 raised to x. So we know the formula for derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. So apply that formula is 1 upon log 10 is constant. So we take outside the derivative into the derivative of log x plus derivative of 3 raised to x. So 1 upon 10 log 1 upon log 10 as it is. The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus 3 raised to x into log 3 is the derivative of 3 raised to x. Is the solution. In the next example, find a dy by dx if y is equals to x to the power n a to the power x plus e raised to x plus sin x. So by the rule of summation of derivative, we apply derivative all the terms. So y is equals to x raised to n plus a raised to x plus e raised to x plus sin x is equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So y चा derivative with respect to x काय आहे? dy by dx. नंतर d dx of कुणाचा काढायचा आहे? x to the power n plus d dx of a to the power x plus d dx of e raised to x plus d dx of which term? Sin x. मग using x raised to n चा n x raised to n minus 1, a raised to x चा a raised to x log a, e raised to x चा e raised to x, sin x चा cos x. So dy by dx equals to काय? n x raised to n minus x, a raised to x चा a raised to x log a, e raised to x चा e raised to x आणि sin चा cos x. Hence the solution. Now in the next find the dy by dx if y is equals to e raised to log x. So y is equals to what? E raised to log x. Exponential function and logarithmic function both are the reverse function. So e and log get cancelled, only x is remaining there. So in the solution y is equals to x is the only equation. So differentiate that equation with respect to x. So dy y चा with respect to x काय? dy by dx. आणि x चा with respect to x 1. So dy by dx is equals to काय आला? 1. It is our solution. Okay. Now in the next example, find the dy by dx if y is equals to e raised to x plus sin x. Here also it is very simple example. Write down y is equals to e raised to x plus sin x equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So y with respect to x is dy by dx, d dx of e raised to x plus derivative of sin x. We know that the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x and derivative of sin x is cos x. Simply dy by dx is equals to e raised to x plus cos x. These are some examples on the sum or a difference of derivative. Thank you very much.